1.
Okay, guys, I'm back, and we were regrouping or renaming. We borrowed from the 3, and that made it 10 tenths because we always do what makes a whole number. So now I'm going to add these two together because I'm adding that in, and I have 15 tenths. So now I have 3 and 15 tenths subtracted by 3 and 8 tenths. I can do that now, and what do I get? 8 take away, or 15 take away 8 is 6. Whoops, sorry, 7 tenths. 3 take away 3 is 0. So it's 7 tenths because 7 is a prime number and it can't go into 10. So my answer is 7 tenths. Now that was one way of doing it. That was when you call renaming it. I would rather change them to improper fractions and work that way. Let's do it that way. So if I look at here and I have 4.5 and 3 4/5, and I need to subtract them. And guess what? I don't know if I have to rename or not. I just automatically change them to an improper fraction. So when I look here, I have 4 and 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 more is 9 over 2, improper fraction, minus 3 times 5 is 15, plus 4, which is 19 fifths. So these two are equivalent now. They're just improper fractions. So I changed my mixed number into an improper fraction. We practiced this. All right. Now I got to find, now I'm just going to subtract. In order to subtract, I have to find a common denominator. Well, I know my common denominator, if I go through my multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Well, I know 5 can go into 10. So I'm going to do 10, 9, oh, nope, sorry, jumping the gun. What did I take to get to 10? 2 times 5 equals 10. So I've got to take 9 times 5, which is 45 tenths. And here, what did I take to get to 10? It's 2. So I got to take 19 times 2, which is 38 tenths. So now can I subtract these? You betcha I can. I know my answer is going to be a tenth. And I look here and I've got 48 subtracted by 38. If you're not sure, please do it over here. Borrow, and I get 7 tenths. Same exact answer I got before. I like to change them into improper factors. Does not mean you have to. If you like renaming it, go for it. So I would like you and your partner to do this one. And I don't care, pick what works best for you. No matter what you do, should come up with the same exact answer. Okay, then we're moving on to here, and these are all on your own. I would like you to do these 3. Call me over. Guess what? I want to see how you're doing them, what you're going to do with them. We'll practice some of these together. Then we will move on to we'll skip this, bottom of this and this until we're ready. We're going to do all the evens on this page. And then we're going to do 1 or 2 and all of those. We're going to rock this. Please do not rush it. Make sure you totally understand. Understanding and owning it is the most important thing.